Welcome to Eco Energy Rating Limited UK, your reliable partner in cutting-edge inspection methods and energy efficiency solutions. Today we're going to take you on an exciting journey into the fascinating world of thermal imaging. This technology, often seen in high-tech movies or military operations, is no longer just a figment of science fiction or confined to specialized fields. It's right here, increasingly being harnessed in various sectors to optimize performance, enhance safety, and boost energy efficiency. So, fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the invisible world of heat, revealing hidden issues and providing invaluable insights. Whether you're a homeowner, a business owner, or simply someone with a keen interest in technology and its practical applications, this video is for you. Let's dive in and explore the remarkable power and potential of thermal imaging surveys. Have you ever pondered the significance of thermal imaging surveys? Today, let's explore this cutting-edge, non-invasive inspection technique that is revolutionizing various sectors across the globe. Thermal imaging surveys are powered by the remarkable technology of thermal imaging cameras. These cameras are designed to detect temperature variations on an object's surface, providing a wealth of information about the object under inspection. But how do they achieve this? The secret lies in their ability to capture and interpret infrared radiation. Here's a bit of science for you. Every object with a temperature above absolute zero, which is a frosty minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, emits some degree of infrared radiation. It's this invisible radiation that thermal imaging cameras capture. At the heart of these cameras is a specialized lens. The lens focuses the infrared radiation onto a sensor. This sensor, in turn, transforms the radiation into an electrical signal. This signal then undergoes a process of transformation to generate a detailed thermal image. This image is a visual display of the temperature variations on the object's surface. This technology unveils what our naked eyes can't see, making visible the invisible world of heat. It's like having superpowers, but instead of X-ray vision, you see the world in a spectrum of radiant heat. These thermal images are not just visually captivating, they offer valuable insights. They can reveal hidden issues ranging from heat loss in buildings to electrical faults, even pest infestations. Just think about it, with this technology, we're not just observing the surface, we're peeking beneath it, detecting potential problems before they escalate. So, thermal imaging surveys are a transformative, non-invasive inspection technique that detects temperature variations, offering a wealth of information about the object being surveyed. It's a testament to human ingenuity, harnessing the power of technology to see beyond the visible and into the very heart of matter. But how exactly do these thermal imaging cameras work? Well, let's dive in and unravel the science behind this captivating technology. At the heart of thermal imaging is the concept of infrared radiation. Every object with a temperature above absolute zero, that's minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, emits this radiation. It's invisible to the naked eye, but not to a thermal imaging camera. These cameras are designed to detect and measure the infrared radiation that's emitted by objects. They do this with the help of a specialized lens that focuses the infrared radiation onto a sensor. Now, this sensor is no ordinary piece of hardware. It's an intricate device that has the power to transform the infrared radiation into an electrical signal, but the magic doesn't stop there. This electrical signal then undergoes a process of transformation. It's fed into a system that's designed to convert the electrical data into a format that we can understand. The end result? A detailed thermal image that provides a visual representation of the temperature variations on the surface of the object in question. So when you look at a thermal image, what you're actually seeing is a map of temperatures. Each color represents a different temperature, allowing you to instantly spot areas that are hotter or colder than their surroundings. This is incredibly useful for detecting a range of issues, from heat loss in buildings to electrical faults and plumbing leaks. Thermal imaging cameras are also exceptionally versatile. They can be handheld for close-up inspections, mounted on drones for aerial surveys, or even installed in fixed locations for continuous monitoring. This flexibility means they can be used in a wide variety of contexts, from construction and electrical work to pest control and energy auditing. In essence, thermal imaging cameras are technological marvels that translate invisible infrared radiation into visible thermal images. They're a testament to human ingenuity, and they're revolutionizing the way we detect and diagnose problems across a host of industries. One might ask, why are thermal imaging surveys so essential? The answer lies in their remarkable ability to spot an array of potential issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. From heat loss in buildings to electrical faults, plumbing leaks, structural defects, and even pest infestations, thermal imaging surveys are a veritable one-stop shop for problem detection. A thermal imaging survey is not just about identifying a problem, it's about understanding the extent of the issue and providing valuable insights into potential solutions. For instance, when a thermal image reveals heat loss from a building, it's more than a simple hotspot. It could indicate a lack of insulation, a poorly sealed window, or a thermal bridge that needs addressing. Now let's delve into the numerous industries where thermal imaging surveys have proven to be an invaluable tool. In the construction industry, thermal imaging surveys are used to detect structural defects, moisture intrusion, and insulation issues. They can help identify weak points in the construction and provide actionable insights to improve the building's energy efficiency. In the electrical industry, these surveys are a godsend for spotting overloaded circuits, loose connections, and other potential fire hazards. By identifying these issues early, thermal imaging surveys can prevent costly repairs and even avert disastrous fires. The utility of thermal imaging surveys extends to the plumbing industry as well. They can accurately locate hidden leaks within walls and under floors, saving time, money, and unnecessary damage to the property. Roofers also benefit from thermal imaging by detecting leaks and assessing the insulation quality of roofs. This technology helps them pinpoint the exact location of a leak, allowing for a more efficient and less invasive repair process. The pest control industry has seen a significant boost in its effectiveness with the advent of thermal imaging surveys. By detecting the heat signatures of pests, these surveys can accurately pinpoint infestations, making treatment more targeted and efficient. Even the home inspection and energy auditing sectors have embraced thermal imaging surveys. They provide a thorough, non-invasive way to evaluate a home's energy efficiency and identify areas for improvement. Therefore, thermal imaging surveys are an indispensable tool for detecting a multitude of potential problems across numerous industries. So, how does one conduct a thermal imaging survey? Well, the process is a blend of art and science, with a dash of technology thrown in for good measure. It all starts with a thermal imaging camera, a remarkable piece of equipment that captures and interprets infrared radiation emitted by objects. This camera is the eyes of the surveyor, making visible the invisible world of heat and energy. But the camera is only as good as its operator. A certified surveyor, trained in the nuances of thermal imaging, is a vital part of the process. They wield the camera, scanning the object's surface, searching for those telltale signs of temperature variations. The surveyor's role doesn't stop at simply capturing images. They have to interpret the thermal images, discerning the normal from the abnormal. Is that spot of heat a sign of electrical fault or just a warm patch of sunshine? Is that cool area a plumbing leak or just a shadow? These are the questions that a surveyor answers, their trained eye picking out the anomalies from the vast array of thermal data. Once the surveyor identifies a potential issue, they don't just jump to conclusions. They investigate further, digging deeper to find the root cause. This could involve additional scans, cross-referencing with other data, or even physical inspections. It's a meticulous process, one that requires patience, knowledge, and a keen eye for detail. The final step in the process is reporting. The surveyor compiles their findings into a comprehensive report, detailing the detected issues, their likely causes, and recommended solutions. This report is more than just a document. It's a roadmap, guiding the way towards resolving the identified problems. But remember, this entire process hinges on the expertise of the surveyor and the capability of the thermal imaging camera. Without these two key elements, a thermal imaging survey would be like trying to navigate a maze in the dark. In conclusion, a thermal imaging survey is a meticulous process that requires expertise and sophisticated technology to yield accurate results. Having delved into the depths of how thermal imaging surveys are conducted, you may be wondering, where are these surveys actually used? The answer is almost everywhere. The applications of thermal imaging surveys are as diverse as they are numerous. Let's explore some of the most common ones. In the construction and building industry, these surveys are used to identify heat loss areas, inadequate insulation, and potential moisture problems. This helps in ensuring energy efficiency and structural integrity. In electrical systems, thermal imaging can detect overloaded circuits, faulty wiring, and other electrical issues before they escalate into serious problems. In the realm of plumbing, thermal imaging can locate hidden leaks, blocked pipes, and other anomalies quickly and without any destructive probing. They are also used extensively in the maintenance of mechanical systems, identifying issues like overheating, misalignments, and lubrication problems. The applications don't stop there. Thermal imaging surveys are used in pest control to locate nests and infestations, in healthcare to detect changes in body temperature, and even in firefighting to see through smoke and locate hotspots. As you can see, the utility of thermal imaging surveys is vast and varied, spanning across industries and sectors. So, whether you're a homeowner worried about energy efficiency, a factory manager looking to prevent equipment failure, or a firefighter saving lives, thermal imaging surveys have something to offer you. By now, you should have a good understanding of how these surveys are conducted and where they are used. Next, we'll look at the many advantages of thermal imaging surveys and why they are gaining popularity in today's world. What makes thermal imaging surveys so advantageous? This question may have crossed your mind, and the answer lies in the array of benefits these surveys bring to the table. First and foremost, thermal imaging surveys are non-invasive. This means they do not necessitate any damage or alteration to the object under inspection. They are the epitome of the saying, "Look, but don't touch." This is a significant advantage, especially when dealing with fragile or historically significant structures. Secondly, thermal imaging surveys are all about speed and efficiency. They can be swiftly and effortlessly completed, providing quick insights into potential issues. This makes them an ideal choice in situations where time is of the essence. Next, let's talk about accuracy. Thermal imaging surveys can precisely detect temperature variations, no matter how minute. This accuracy aids in the early detection of potential problems, saving time, effort, and resources in the long run. Last but certainly not least, thermal imaging surveys champion safety. They are ideal for inspecting objects in hazardous environments, ensuring that human lives are not put at risk. Now that we've covered the advantages, let's move on to the rise of thermal imaging surveys, particularly in the UK. These surveys are gaining substantial traction, with numerous companies providing thermal imaging survey services. However, for unparalleled expertise and quality, one name stands out: Eco Energy Rating Limited UK. With their commitment to accuracy, efficiency, and customer satisfaction, they are at the forefront of this rising trend. Furthermore, the thermal imaging industry is witnessing the emergence of groundbreaking technologies, such as high-resolution thermal imaging cameras and infrared drones. These advancements are revolutionizing the surveying process, making it more efficient and accurate than ever before. So, there you have it. Thermal imaging surveys, with their myriad benefits and rising popularity, are undoubtedly a game changer in the field of inspection and surveying.